Hi, this is Ed Reyes with Master Builders from Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, this is how you use and maintain a miter saw. Now, to transport this unit, the best thing to do before you do anything when you're finished with your work is to bring the blade back down, lock it on the side with that knob we spoke of earlier, and tighten it down good. And you want to bring your saw in as close as you can and tighten the back knob back here. As tight as you can, that way you got no slide back and forth, no slide up and down. Then you would come over and remove these two black levers, push up on both levers on the back, which will cause this machine to go backwards. As it goes backwards, you let it slide down. Preferably have somebody else hold the other side. And it has a handle here. This handle, and also we use the actual bar that the sliding bar to carry this unit. It also has two handles down here. So if you're a one-person unit, you're carrying it by yourself, this is probably the way to go. You want to grab it from down these two openings right here. They're made for carrying this unit. Basically, you want to slide these units in and tighten them real good, and then you want to bring all this down, lock it down, and as you release it from these black levers, you would hold it from this angle and carry it off.